So in today's video, I want to do a wig review on one of Bobbi Boss's newest wigs. If you are new to my channel, my name is Tika, how to revamp your wigs, and also talking about all the newest wigs, all the newest styles. I talk about all of that on my channel, but if that's something that you can kick it with, hit that subscribe button. Let's go ahead and get right into the video. All right, so first things first, I will be showing you guys off. I know many of y'all been waiting on this wig, but this is the wig that I want to review. I just love wearing my wigs up in a half up, half down. That's the reason why I wanted to give this wig a try and kind of see for myself. Look at the stock card, y'all. Like, in the near future, Bobbi Boss is about to release these other styles right here that's a part of the Updo collection. I do want to try out Abigail and Amelia, and probably Hazel too, because she's cute. She kind of cute over there. This is the HL purple green color, and the style already comes pre-plucked. It's a 13x2 hand tie deep lace, and it's 360 all the way around. And this is the style MLF425 Josephine. So here is the inside of the wig. This actually is, like they said, the 360, which means there's lace all the way around the wig. So you have lace going all the way around it. Of course, it does come with your baby hair. Now, I'm not even gonna lie to you guys, but I literally just took this wig out of the packaging and it's already starting to tangle in the back. I'm already kind of like sad, y'all. I really want this wig. I want this color, and it's already starting to tangle back here. But we can kind of see how this plays out. 3 wig clips that come with 2 in the front and 1 in the back, and you have your lace going all the way around. This is what the top of the unit is looking like. Just a little bit so you guys can kind of see. So I already feel it. Like, the texture is okay, but kind of tell like the curls in this wig is not gonna last long. Over a period of time, you are probably gonna have to flexi rod this wig as it gets old. The length on this wig is really long. Like, Eleanor, she's like this as well, but Eleanor, she's a little bit shorter. So I said, I ain't getting this wig if I can't get it in blue, because this is the color I want it in. I love it. Like, this is a really cute wig so far, and I haven't even styled it. So, but yeah, I'm about to go ahead and start styling this wig. We're gonna see how this goes. So I'll be right back, y'all. and talk about Miss Bobbi Boss Josephine, girl. And I'm sure that from the looks of my face that you can pretty much know that I love this style, this wig. Like, I love it. I really wasn't like too much into the synthetic updo type styles because most of the styles would look too helmety and too fakeish. So I didn't really like wearing updo synthetic wigs because they look like legit a helmet was literally on your head. But this style, I can like tell that Bobbi Boss took their time with this wig. And well, they need to spend a lot more time though on the texture. That's like the only thing that is bothering me with this hairstyle, is the simple fact that I don't think it's gonna be like a style that you can legit wear every day, unless maybe if you get like a natural hair color, you could probably get a lot of wears out of this style. But since I'm wearing this blue and purple color one, I'm not too sure how many wears I can get out of this wig, because I do know that it's like legit gonna be one of them wigs that you gonna have to wear your, not even wear it, but like you have to carry around your brush everywhere you go, because it's like legit gonna be one of them wigs that like is gonna tangle. I for sure like know for a fact that you will love this wig. And I bought this wig with my own money, so I'm not sponsored by Bobbi Boss whatsoever, even though I know I should, as much as I be reviewing these wigs, Bobbi Boss. But yeah, so this wig is like very affordable, and for it to be a 360 hairstyle, you cannot beat that. So currently this wig is priced at $44.99, and I bought my wig through SoGoodBaby.com because I legit placed my order on either it was Monday or Tuesday, and then I like just got my wig yesterday, and yesterday was Thursday, and today's Friday. So I don't even know when this review is gonna go up, but I will have it up in time. So by the time they stock up on more wigs, you'll be able to get the hair color that you want in this style, if you decide to get this style. This hairstyle is just everything. Like, I don't even know, but now that I've tried this hairstyle out, I was for sure want to try out many of their other styles. So I'll probably aim for Emilia and Hazel. I don't know if I'm gonna get Abigail just yet, because she's straight and I like some type of wave in my hair. So laying down the lace, melting the lace, it was fairly easy. I did tint my lace, and I also did put powder on my lace as well, and that was about it. Did go in with my wax stick and kind of going up front, because whenever I did style this wig, I did have to deal with a lot of flyaways, and that's something that I hate dealing with. I like to use these duck clips to put the hair, like to kind of hold the hair down in place. I find it most difficult whenever you're trying to lay down your lace and then, you know, them little hairs being in your way. So I find that these little clips help me a lot. So if you need help like lay your lace down but your baby hair in the way, then one tip is use these duck clips and they will save your life, girl. But what do you think about Miss Josephine? Because she is coming through. I love her, and she is most definitely worth the price. Now, one thing that I would suggest for this wig is I don't know if it happened like whenever I was putting the clips, whenever I was trying to lay the wig down, I was putting the clips in the wig. But whenever like you do get your wig, you might have to redo your ponytail over. I really love this wig, and I think Bobbi Boss did a really good job coming up with this updo style. I think that this is probably like, Bobbi Boss is probably like the first company that has actually done a tremendous job coming out with updo synthetic wigs, and they look fantastic. Like, they are the bomb. Like, they're good and they're worth buying and they're everything, because there's a couple wigs that I've like bought, and I literally just bought a wig and just wear half up, half down. And they need to come up with some more wigs because I am most definitely feeling this new Updo collection, and I will for sure be buying the other styles that Bobbi Boss has to offer because I'm in love with this style, and I know for a fact that you're gonna love it too. But let me know what you think about this hairstyle by Bobbi Boss, and let me know if you about to cop this wig, and let me know what other wig I should cop next. Peace out, you guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe. Peace out, you guys.